Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to blend photos in Canva using the Blend Image app. This technique is perfect for creating artistic overlays, double exposures, or professional-looking composites without needing complex software. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your existing design in Canva. Make sure you already have the images you want to blend uploaded to your project. If you don't have them yet, go ahead and upload them now so they're ready to use. Having your images prepared beforehand will make the blending process much smoother and faster. Once your design is open and your images are in place, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Click on Apps. This section gives you access to Canva's marketplace of additional tools and features that extend what you can do beyond the standard editing options. It's where you'll find specialized apps for various creative tasks. Next, in the search field that appears at the top, type Blend Image. This will filter through all available apps and show you the specific tool designed for photo blending. Once you see the Blend Image app appear in the results, click on it to open the app panel. This will launch the blending interface right within your Canva workspace. Now click on the photo you want to use as your background or bottom layer. This is the image that will serve as the base of your blend. After selecting it, click Use Selected Image in the app panel to confirm your choice. The app will now recognize this as your foundation layer that the second image will blend into. Next, click on the second photo you want to blend, which will be your top layer. This is the image that will interact with your background based on the blend mode you choose. After selecting it, click Use Selected Image again in the top layer section of the app panel. Now both of your images are loaded into the blending tool and ready to be combined. Here's where the creative part begins. From the drop-down menu, select a blend mode. If you're new to blending, start experimenting with multiply, screen, or overlay, as these tend to produce the most visually appealing results for most images. Each blend mode creates a different visual effect by mathematically combining the colors and brightness of both layers, so feel free to try a few options to see what works best for your design. Once you've chosen your blend mode, click Add to Design to apply the blend. Canva will process the effect and place the blended result directly onto your canvas. You'll now see your two images combined into one seamless composition. After the blended image appears, click on it to select it. You can now adjust the size and position to fit your design perfectly. Drag it around or resize it using the corner handles to get everything looking just right. When you're satisfied with the placement, click outside the image to deselect it and view the final blended result. And there you have it. You've successfully blended two photos in Canva, creating a unique visual effect that adds depth and creativity to your design. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.